Getting the 4,000 watch hours is a lot. That is to become a full-time member of the YPP. Good morning. I just woke up and I've baked bread. Like, you guys saw the bread and they look so good. Look at this one. So this is bread for the house. They should count themselves very lucky to have me. They get to eat fresh bread every morning. Right now I'm heading out to the store to check for coconut milk and something else I may get to find there. Actually, I've been doing my workout, but I'm going to pause now so I can prepare breakfast. It's a beautiful day today. I'm headed outside. I need to put on my abaya. Once I wear my abaya right now, I'm good to go. So guys, it's time to head out. So I just watched a video where someone was talking about creativity and how exhausting it can be, and it's so true. Imagine thinking you have to keep up with your channel, keep creating and creating, posting, editing, making the video. Guys, it's not easy. And sometimes after you finished all this work, you're just stuck at 10 views. Like me, my channel is at low view, or I switched up some things in my channel and I'm getting the low views. But even at that, even with my normal views or my normal food content, long form content, I get to have low views. And no matter what they say you should do, especially when you watch creators from Think Media, VidIQ, right? No matter what they say you should do, your views are still there. Even if you try to imitate the bigger creators, guys, I think this thing is just based on, will I say luck? Maybe luck, or sometimes the algorithm hasn't picked up your channel yet. And one of the reasons why I keep saying this is, let nobody just deceive you. You can't all be deceived all the time. Nobody knows the algorithm. You may be lucky what you're talking about or what your content is all about on that day is something everybody wants to hear. When I mean everybody, I mean most people want to hear. So, you know, the search engine just goes towards what you posted about. Or right now, people are talking about YouTube monetization, how to get monetized. You know, all those kind of content. Everyone, or most people, a vast majority are talking about YouTube monetization, or they want to know about it in case they're starting up their journey, or they've already started and they're not yet there yet. They're not there yet. So, you know, when you talk about YouTube monetization, how to get monetized, I guess those kind of content get to have a lot of views. I'm at the store now. Good morning. Good morning. I say hi. Hi. Okay. Guys, what is this? I don't know what this is. They don't have chickpea flour. That's the main thing that brought me here. Puffed rice. I really don't know what these things are all about. Okay. I think I'll get this for my kids to give a try. I've seen them talk about this recipe. I've watched something about how to make this. I know how to make it, but no, I'm not gonna give it a try. I was looking for chickpea flour, but I can't find it. And then coconut milk. Yes, they always have coconut milk. Yeah, that's it. I'm going for coconut milk powder. I want to try out a recipe Guys, I watched a Vero channel, Living in the Moment with Vero. Did I get the channel name? But I'll put it up here. She made sticky rice. Guys, I have this pack of sticky rice. I have just used a few times. My kids didn't like it. We didn't really like it because it was so sticky. So maybe I'll try out this recipe with it and see how it goes, whether they will love it or whether I'll love it. Anyway, I don't eat a lot of all these carbs, but I'll give it a taste, right? I'm going to give it a taste. So I'll also be picking out this pasta, spaghetti too. I think I prefer this. My hands are so yeah. And I want the flour. I have this one. I wanted the flour. 30. What's it in Arabic?
30 means 30 riyal.
30 riyal. Okay.
Yes.
30 riyal. So what is 20 riyal in Arabic?
20 riyal means 20.
Okay, Ishrin. So I gave him 50 riyal and this is my change, 20 riyals. Guys, I'm done from the store. So as I was saying, the low views are really, will I say discouraging, but no, I just love to create. I just love to have something up on my channel. But this is what I have to deal with till the algorithm or people watch my videos and then the algorithm picks it up and distributes to others. I get shown content from people I'm not subscribed to on my YouTube timeline, and I watch. I'm not discouraged, especially if it's what I want to listen to or what I want to watch. Even sometimes people that are subscribed to your channel, they may not watch your videos, or they don't even watch, or even if they watch, they just watch a second or some few minutes and log off. The algorithm wouldn't recognize it as a good watch, so it doesn't push it out. That is one thing that brings me to this whole subscribe to my channel, subscribe for subscribe. I've stopped it, to be honest, unless if someone asks me, oh, your YouTube channel, oh, or maybe the person falls into my video, like the guy at the store, and he says he wants to see my YouTube channel, and if I show him and he subscribes, fine. I'm not going to like force people, oh, subscribe to my channel, please. The truth is, when you do that and they keep subscribing and you're having this so much count of people who are subscribed to your channel, but they don't watch your videos, they're just there, of what impact is it to the channel? They subscribe to your channel but they don't watch. All these things affect the view count. Guys, I'm panting. That's one thing with the mountains. A little walk, a little pant. Let me rest a bit and pant. Meanwhile, my steps are counting though. So I've stopped all this subscribe for subscribe, watch my playlist. What happens when they run my playlist and I achieve my goal and it doesn't continue? You get what I mean? It doesn't continue. The playlist is watched, but after that, oh, no more views any longer. So that's it, and that's how I feel about the low views, creativity and exhaustion. Guys, like, I'm outside now, I'm touching grass. I'm outside now, I'm touching grass. So sometimes when you don't feel like creating, please just switch it off, go outside and touch grass. Any day the algorithm remembers to pick up your channel, so be it. But you have to still do the work. I won't say don't do the work. Keep doing the work, keep posting, keep, you know, looking at the trends. I don't really do that, looking at the trends, because sometimes the trends are not what I want to do. They're not what I enjoy doing. They're not what I want to do at the time. So I'm not just going to start creating for the trends and, you know, creating for out of just creativity. You need to enjoy what you're doing. I need to enjoy creating. So that's it. And I'm so happy for YouTube. Like, I'm so happy being a YouTube creator or creating on YouTube because of longevity. I like that on YouTube you can even post a content today and nobody watches it, but in the next year, or next few days or next week or a few months, something just happens. It's like magic, and the video you think is dead starts blowing up. That is how YouTube is, and that is one of the reasons why I love being on this platform as against, you know, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. The only times those platforms tend to push out video is unless people really watch it, and then you may see a post from maybe 2 months ago. But on YouTube here, sometimes I come on YouTube, I open up the app, I see that YouTube is recommending video from 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 2 years ago, and if it's something you like, you watch. Or it may be that you watched something kind of related, and it brings up a video from the past. It's always like a blast from the past. Guys, I think I have my lips are so dry, and the weather is so dry, guys. I think the country is just experiencing drought, or the region. It has been so dry, and I heard in coming months there's going to be sandstorm. Oh my god, I don't really like the sandstorm area because everywhere gets to become dusty. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So on YouTube, the longevity is there, and that is why, or what keeps me encouraged to keep creating. Nobody may like this content I'm creating today, this week, or even next week, but maybe next month, in a few years time, someone is going to catch up this channel and catch up this particular content and decide to watch this video, and the algorithm picks it up, and that's it, and that's how it will blow. So don't be discouraged about the low views. If you're like me, don't be discouraged. Keep creating. Just keep creating. Like me, just keep creating, posting your content. And if you're very exhausted, sometimes if you get exhausted, just keep your camera, keep your phones, go outside and touch grass. It could be for a few days, but make sure you come back, post something. And for those watching the video, please try and watch to the, at least to a good extent, so the algorithm helps us small creators like me. The video gets pushed out more. To get the watch hour is a lot of work. And imagine the watch hour, if you're almost there and the year fades, that means you have to start all over again. That is how this platform works. In order to get into the YouTube partnership program, it will all work out well in the end. Don't leave your channel, don't abandon it, don't say this is not for me. To be honest, I've followed a lot of people creating on YouTube for a very long time. I'm talking about from year 2010, and they were just consistent. Even some people that were doing maybe food content, they switched up to maybe lifestyle or other things. And you know, even if when you switch off, your audience may get reduced. That is why I even like adding some things to my channel when I don't have a lot of subscribers. So anybody who is joining me now is already seeing my face, already knowing what I'm doing. You get? So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for listening to my rants. Hope to see you next time, or I hope you see me next time. Have a beautiful day, guys.